Hey buddy, what's going on? Welcome to Learn Hunter. Last tutorial we had just get our data on a form, but we don't do the update section. So in this tutorial I will show you how to update the single data. So now if we are press its edit button, and you can see that the value are coming. So now we are try to update this. That's why I just write our URL action. So insert contact and also pass our ID, because we update a single value, not all. Okay, you can also use this. If you not like this system, you can also use this, like it's hidden and name is ID and value is auth user ID. Okay, so I hope you are not understand what is this. So how we get auth, how we get user. So don't worry, after 3 or 4 tutorials I will show you, I will talk about auth system. Okay, so now I just remove it. So now when you go to insert contact, not is what it is, update contact route, and also get our data ID, and method is post. Okay, fine. So we don't have any route, just copy it and paste here its update contact and also its post method, and contact controller it goes to update contact, copy it, just write a function, public function, and its ID. So we just update our input field. That's why I used request $request. So we can update our data by two way. One is using array, or second is use object. So first I use query builder and also use array. So first just create an array, data array. Okay, then first field is name, which is request name. That's it. And second and third, second is email and third is phone. Okay, now save, and finally I will use query builder. That's mean cont contact update. Okay, db table is contacts, spelling mistake, contacts, and we update a single value. That's why I use where ID, and finally use update method and pass the data on it. Okay, now finally it's update. So now if we are use this condition, just copy it from here. If it's successful, that contact update successfully, and it goes to redirect back, not redirect back, it goes to this. Okay, let's redirect. this is work. I think this is work. Redirect route all contact. Okay, let's check. Just reload it. There are no error. I just write Shahidul Islam and not 353 is 253. Update contact, all contact, Shahidul Islam 253, and our messages are coming, contact update successfully. Okay, so now we are use another way. Just simply we don't not to use array. Just we use our model, and we have also our id, specific id. That's why I just used, okay, just this variable contact update equal, our model name is contact. Okay, our model name is contact, and now we find our id, and we have also our id. That's it. Now we are use contact update, just simply smallest contact. Okay, so first contact name, which is $request name, $request name, email, and phone. Okay, just check it's work or not, and printer $contact, and finally exit. Let's check. Go to Masud Khan and just press it, mesh, update contact. Yes, it's are working. It's a totally slow. Okay, so now we pass the contact. Okay, so now oh sorry, we don't use query builder, I just use eloquent. And finally the contact is update, but it's not working. Use save, because update method are not working on eloquent, so that's why I use save method. So finally, if contact will save, then it goes to blah blah blah. Now save all, reload it again, and here I just write Masud Ahmed and now update contact, and this goes to all contact Masud Ahmed gmail.com, and finally it's a decrease. So and our 2-star alert are successfully coming. So all code operations are successfully done. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our Facebook group Plant Hunter. You can join, where you can discuss your problem. So now I hope you enjoy this series. and after next tutorial we are trying to discuss about auth system, joining system, email verification system, and everything. And finally we are creating a full project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.